I absolutely love the Turbie Twisty. So I have wet hair right now, and it's the first step I do after I get out of the shower in drying my hair because it absorbs so much water. I'm going to show you kind of a demo of how I use it. So 2 ways. Even if I'm going in the shower and I'm not washing my hair, I wear one because it keeps moisture from hitting my hair. So I wear this most days, not because I want my hair to dry, but because I want to keep my hair dry. So this is what it looks like when you put it on. It's kind of like a little hood right there. There's a nice little label. And then you just take your hair like a low ponytail and you twist. So twist, twist, twist. There's different ways you can do it, but for me, this is the easiest. And then up here, there's a little elastic. I pop that there, and you can see when it's on like this, no hair besides the back is peeking through. So none of that moisture hits my hair in the shower. And then when I'm out of the shower, this is the first step in getting my hair to dry faster. So I love it. I use them every single day, and I think you're gonna love it as well.